Dear student, this is a question of the network analysis and they have asked what is the value of this current I of t when this switch you are closing at t is equals to 0. And we have only one inductor, that means this is basically the first order circuit. That means we can replace this like this. We know the shortcut of this, I of t is equals to I of infinity minus I of 0 e raised to minus RT by L. This R is equals to R equivalent and L equivalent. That means the tau is equals to R equivalent, or we can write down like this, minus T by tau, and tau is equals to R equivalent divided by R equivalent. And these two equivalents are after switching. We have to calculate after switching only, not before switching. That means we will calculate from here. At steady state, what will happen here? Firstly, at steady state. At steady state, this inductor will achieve its steady state and act as a short circuit at t tends to infinity, and at t is equals to 0, you are closing the switch. That means you will get the short circuit here and your circuit will look like this. 10 ampere, 5, then again you will get short, then, and this will act as a short circuit, but you are interested in this current I of t. It is 10 ampere. That means you are getting the short circuit path at parallel with this current source. That means the entire current of this current source will flow from here. That means the I of infinity will be 10 ampere. That means we have calculated the one parameter of this equation, that is 10 ampere. That means I am writing here I of infinity is equals to 10 ampere. Now, for getting the value of I of 0, basically this is I of 0 plus, we will draw the circuit at t is equals to 0 minus. That means this switch was open at t is equals to 0 minus. That means I will draw the circuit, and this switch was open since a long time. That means this inductor have achieved its steady state. That means this is 5, this is 5 ohm, 5 ohm, this is 10 ampere. And here this is IL 0 minus. I am calculating. That means the two equal parallel branches with the current source. That means here the current will be 5 ampere. But I am not asking the current of this. I am asking the current of this. That means for that you have to draw the circuit at t is equals to 0 plus also. As you will draw the t at t is equals to 0 plus, you will get a short circuit because you have closed the switch, and here you will get like this. That means the 5 ampere, it is 5 ohm, and I am interested in this current at this time, but this inductor will not allow any sudden change in the current at t is equals to 0 plus. That means here the current is 5, you are pumping the entire current from here, which is 10, that means the current will go from here 5 ampere. That means the I of 0 plus is equals to 5 ampere. Only one inductor is present in the circuit. That means the value of the L equivalent is 2.5 Henry. And the R equivalent, we have to draw the circuit after switching. That means this short circuit, this is 5, and you have to calculate the R equivalent seen across this inductor and this. That means no meaning of this particular. That means the R equivalent is 5 ohm. Put all the values here. As you will put all the values here, you will get something like this. 10 minus 5 e raised to minus t by tau. That means RT by L, 5 into t divided by 2.5. This will cancel out to 2, and you will get 10 minus 5 e raised to minus 2 of t. This is the value of I of t, but they are interested only I of 2. the I of t at t is equals to 2 seconds. That means the 10 minus 5 e raised to minus 4. That means 10 minus 5 divided by e raised to 4. And this is your right answer. You have to calculate with the calculator and you will get this answer.